Hi guys, this is Martin, aka Martin the Vlogger, and today we will talk about this brand new product from MTV Manufacturing. It's called Passenger Seat Fixed Push Button, and it's a solution for all BRP Can-Am Spyder F3S, F3 Basic and F3T. And what it actually does and how it can help you, well, basically I'm pretty sure there is a lot of Spyder riders that don't know that there is such a thing like a push button under the passenger seat. Let's have a quick look. So if you don't know how to remove the passenger seat, just push the key, turn to the right, and in the same moment hold your passenger seat and push it up or pull it up. This way you will remove it, and right over here it's the push button that we have been talking about. So it's a quite simple solution that anytime somebody's sitting at the passenger seat, this button will be pushed. How it works, for every, doesn't matter if you have this basic seat or you have the Can-Am built seat, every seat has this pin right over here that is basically sitting on this, and once the weight is on the seat, and it doesn't matter if it's a passenger or some extra bag like this, it will tell to the nanny, it will tell to the bike, it will tell to your computer that, oops, be careful, somebody is probably sitting on the bike, so let's reduce the power, let's reduce the acceleration, don't allow to the rider go as fast as normally he would go around the corners, because there is somebody behind you and we have to be careful. Now, of course, this is all good when somebody is really sitting behind you, but have a look. That's how I normally ride these days when I'm riding around Slovakia, when I'm recording my vlogs. I'm having my extra bag there, or I'm having extra exhaust there because I'm recording for you a comparison videos about different cut deletes and exhausts, right? So what this basically does, this fixed button, so this is a plug and play solution. All you need to do is push these pins right over here, these 3 pins, just like that, and remove this and insert this one. Now, as you can see, it's quite strong product. It's quite tough, and of course it's a signature thing for MTV Manufacturing that we are using a 3D technology, so it's not the cheap plastic that we use. It's a solid plastic. It's like this brake eyes that we use, or this, this 3D badge using carbon right over there, and badge like this, badge like this, badge like this, or badge like this, So this is a signature thing to have a 3D print. I think it's very cool. Now all you have to do is to put it like this. There are pins, so you just push it, and now as you can see, it's very solid, it's very tough and very easy. The push button is not pushed anymore. All right, now all you have to do is put the seat back, put your bag or whatever, and you are good to go. This way, when you have the MTV Manufacturing passenger seat fixed push button installed, you can put the whatever bag you want, and the bike will still go like there is nobody behind you, so you will basically trick the nanny and the bike will go like you are really literally one up. I have tested it up to 30 kilograms. The button can cope up with much higher weight because it's very solid 3D print. However, I'm not your father, I'm not your mommy, but I recommend to use it only with the extra bags or extra load. By extra load, I don't mean people or animals, all right? So you got the point. Now, if you're still watching, I'm pretty sure you're interested in where you can get it, and you can get it on martinthevlogger.com. There is a shop section, or just type to your browser martinthevlogger.com/shop. I'm shipping from Europe, so for all non-European customers, it's VAT free. There are different products, so have a look around. All of them I'm personally using, I have tested them, and I have approved. So definitely, that's the proof of the quality. If you like to be informed about the new products, because I'm adding them quite frequently these days, subscribe to my channel and have the notifications on, because you are informed every time I make a new video. Thanks for watching, thanks for shopping, and remember, always have fun.